Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on the Socratic by Google application. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Socratic application by Google, you will directly be taken into the home page if you have already been signed in. Now from this page, you can perform any amount of search using a photo and by simply typing in a text prompt by tapping on the magnifying glass icon, or also use your voice. Now, if you wish to clear your search history, when you tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, you will not find any option related to this. So you will need to clear from within your Google settings. Tap on your user ID on the drop-down menu and then tap on Manage My Google Account. You will then be taken into your Google account management page. From this page, simply scroll to the right and you will find the Data and Privacy option. Tap on this to end up within the privacy menu. From the privacy page, you can scroll down and you will find the history settings. Simply tap on My Activity and now you will be able to see all of your activity. You can simply tap on the cross icon within your Socratic by Google history, and you can also tap on the delete option directly to clear all of your history right away. So there you have it. Simply tap on the delete option and proceed with clearing your search history for the Socratic app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.